So welcome to the Six Senses Resort, Oman. Six Senses Zighy Bay at Oman. It's a resort down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to paraglide. We're going to paraglide off the top of the mountain and land on the beach. Yep. So we're standing on the tower here. The resort's flag. The resort street entrance, I arrived by speedboat. The street entrance is the top of that hill. See the road winding down? Yep, that's where the top entrance is. There's a restaurant up there called Edges as well, but we're going to go up there, we're going to drive up and then paraglide off, parachute and sail all the way down and land on the beach. Land on the beach just over there somewhere. Alright, so down there. So we'll see you up there. See you up there for a bit of paragliding. You'll see all this from the sky. Alright, so we'll drive up and then jump off the hill, so to speak, with the parachute. Alright, see you up there. So what's the altitude up there?
It's 300 meters.
300 meters, yeah. And the flying time is about 3-4 minutes?
Depends. If we get a good wind, it's gonna be much more than this. But let's see how it's gonna be the wind. The last flight it was quite good, so hopefully we still have.
I saw your flight a couple of hours, about an hour ago. I was standing on the tower watching.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you coming down on that thing. So we're at the top of the resort, at the cliff edge. We're going to jump off the mountain and do a bit of parasailing. Alright, we're going to parasail all the way down to the resort. It's down there. It's the hotel restaurant, Edges. See the mountains. We'll parasail through the wind and we'll land on the beach. And you'll see all these mountains from the sky. All these mountains that you'll see. Alright, so enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride and enjoy the ride, parasailing down the hill. Down to the beach at the Six Senses. Yep.
Now the wind is quite strong, so the wind is gonna lift us up quite quickly.
Yep.
But if we reach the ground, then we will do a few steps forward.
Yep.
And then after we take off, after you sit back in the harness, put your hands here.
Put my hands where this. So I took my hands in here.
Yes.
Now or?
No, after we take off.
So I have to. Then my camera is running.
So the camera, if you want to run the camera, just close this.
Okay.
Just close it here.
Yeah.
Okay, just in case.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have to take
just
one.
Do not sit before I tell you. But close this one because you might break it. Just close it, yes.
Okay.
Okay, come in. Don't sit. Don't sit.
No, do not sit. Don't. This is very important.
Okay.
Do not sit before I tell you.
Okay, fine.
We have to take off first.
Okay.
Take up. You go few steps running. Don't sit.
Okay. So I put my hand. It's only my right hand.
Not now. Not now. Don't sit. Don't sit. Don't sit. Don't sit. Don't sit. Don't sit.
Ah, okay.
So now I put my hand through, yeah?
Yes. Put the other one as well.
beach.
Want to go to the beach?
Yeah,
Ready?
yeah.
Just look in and then we're going. Okay.
I land on the roof of my villa? No. Just joking. That was fun. Perfect, thank you very much. Yeah. So I start.
Like
Yeah, like this. Okay.
When we touch the ground, do not sit. Stand up now. Stand up.
Yep, perfect, mate. Excellent. That was brilliant.
Oh. Enjoy that?
Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it was great.
Yeah.
It's windy, yeah,
Yeah.
especially the rocks and. So that's how I was wondering how we lose altitude. It's by going down spiral, yeah.
No. Losing altitude is very easy. The idea is how to stay longer.
Sorry?
Actually,
Ah,
the idea is how to climb up.
okay.
So, but when we have this good wind right now, it's a good uplift. So we can stay for a very long time.
So the spiral down was for the fun.
Just for
I
fun,
thought that's how. Yeah, because you saw. Yeah. Cool, great, thank you.
Let's be happy with that.
Yeah, let's do it. Alrighty. Thank you very much.
You're
Cheers.
very
Thanks.
welcome.
Thanks.
Very welcome.
Hi.
How's the flight?
Absolutely brilliant. Great. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Wow. That was amazing. Yeah. Absolutely amazing. It's quite windy. Yeah. I love the spiral down to land. It was windy out there. It's absolutely brilliant views as well. Great stuff. Get the car back. That's the pilot. Now we started. You can see there's two markings. There's two lines there. That's where we started. That's where the restaurant is as well. So we're going for dinner later. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Welcome to the Six Senses Zighy Bay. People paragliding here. This is one of the ways to get up. One of the ways to get to the hotel. It's paraglide from the top all the way down. See somebody paragliding. Come off the this bit just up there. There's a restaurant, Edges, and you sort of paraglide down. So he's doing. Land at the beach. Yep, just on the beach like that. At Six Senses.